funky chicken, it's an amazing mix of really tight woods, open grass track, it's pristine. Probably the best place. Just the dirt is unreal because it only gets ridden once a year, so truly amazing. We all are pretty good friends, but no doubt about it, I want to beat Rory and Brian for sure. Justin and Anita too. I mean, we're a pretty tight group, but definitely want to beat them. I want a podium bad. We'll see. I've been close a couple years in a row, but I've never gotten on the podium here, so I want to third or better for sure.
Oh yeah, I've done the check-in a few times now. It's a blast. I really don't want to miss it. It's a good one. My strategy is to not put it on the ground in the first lap and try to slowly from there pick up a good pace and pick some guys off. But I think it's the idea that for 3 hours you really don't get to rest. I mean, most races you're going to get a spot or two where you can kind of take it easy and you really can't let down your focus here too much.
Yeah, had about an 8th place start, moved up to 4th partway through the first lap. Had super bad arm pump for a while, had to get off, fell back, and I was starting to catch up and hit my head and took a dirt nap for a while. Disappointing. I know there's a lot of people put a lot of effort in for me to go out here and do well, so disappointed for them.
Got an okay hole shot. Wheelied off the start a little bit, so I had to kind of let it off and it went back. Nonetheless, I had a decent start. Hit a tree the first lap. Most guys got by me in my class at that point. And started riding really, really tight. Finally got loosened up. Started feeling alright there for a little bit. And anytime I felt like I was pushing it even kind of hard, I was starting to get like a sick feeling. So I don't know. Yeah, just one of them days. It was a rough course and wasn't really feeling all there. So, you know, couldn't really push it too hard without the fear of wrecking, so. Oh, the bike's fine, bike's incredible, you know. Wasn't the bike today, it was me, man. Wish I could get a do-over on this one.
Race was great. I got a good start. I was rounding the first turn and second, but the guy swung a little bit wide and I got into the lead right there at kind of the second turn, so I led right off the grass track. Held the lead all the way to, got to the grass track again about the first 4 miles. Pumped up pretty bad after that. It wasn't too pretty. Let guys by, go by. Don't want to ruin their race or anything like that. So, but too many guys by. But then after a couple laps, I started feeling it again and picked up the pace and got into it. It was awesome. You know, pretty typical year where it's dusting the fields, perfect in the woods, and you know, I like the tight stuff they have up here in Oregon. So it's great. KTM's great. You know, this is a 252 stroke, and I still think 252 stroke is the best bike made. It just is for the woods. It just is good power, snappy. It's lightweight. You know, I'm getting older and training less, so that lightweight really helps me hold on to the bike and keep charging all race.
Super happy last year with the second year, and this year to take the win. So it was definitely. I was thankful to not have another lap, though. I'll tell you that.
I'm definitely gonna say thanks to KTM Country, Razor's Edge, Haul Ass Racing, and Fly Racing.
Yeah, I'd like to thank KTM Country. I'd like to thank Razor's Edge, Haul Ass, Hammer Nutrition for helping me get here and making this whole season happen for me.